Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make an easy burrito wrap. First, let's gather all the fresh ingredients you'll need for a truly delicious meal. A great burrito starts with well-prepped components. You'll want a large, pliable flour tortilla, ideally 10 inches or larger, to hold everything together. Consider your protein, whether it's seasoned ground beef, shredded chicken, or hearty black beans. Next, let's get those fillings ready. Cook your protein until it's perfectly done and seasoned to your liking. While that's cooking, chop your fresh vegetables and shred any cheese. Remember to drain any excess liquid from wet ingredients like salsa or beans to prevent a soggy burrito. A crucial step is warming your tortilla for about 20 seconds. This makes it soft and much easier to fold without tearing. Now for the fun part, assembly. Lay your warm tortilla flat. Place your fillings in a line, slightly below the center, leaving about a 1-inch border. Don't overstuff, as this can cause the tortilla to burst. Fold the left and right sides of the tortilla over the filling. Then, bring the bottom edge up and over, tucking it tightly as you roll upwards to create a compact, sealed burrito. Your delicious, homemade burrito is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately to savor all those fresh flavors. You can also pan-sear it seam side down for a few minutes to create a lightly browned, crisp exterior and help seal it. Pair your burrito with classic sides like chips and salsa or a fresh Mexican salad. And for staying refreshed, check out the O Ala water bottle. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.